You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, especially from medicine, stay tuned, there are more videos for you. This is the plural of the word Rhonchus. Alright, that's how it's pronounced. It's pronounced with CH like a K, Rhonchus. Now, the plural is more generally in English as Rhonchi. Alright, if you say Rhonchi, it's perfectly, absolutely correct. Some may say it as Rhonchi, which I think is also correct, but definitely less common. So, Rhonchi or Rhonchi, but more Rhonchi. Do you think, how do you pronounce it? Do you think otherwise? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.